Ari Agency, the founder executive recruiter at Ari Agency. This was our 7th annual UX Mixer. I'm just so impressed with the interaction design community, and the group of panelists we had again came from a really diverse group of backgrounds, and some of the topics that we talked about were design ethics and some of the design thinking that's going on in industry and in companies.
We covered the gamut. We talked about artificial intelligence, we talked about mistakes that we've made, we talked about I think the big hairy question of who decides what is ethical, how we put frameworks in place in our companies to ensure that we are in fact behaving in a way that we believe is ethical, and what design's role in the organization is in and around making ethical choices.
I think one of the most interesting topics we discussed tonight was around the fact that designers are really at the forefront of talking around what the impact is on the products that they're building, particularly when it comes to digital and technology. I think the complexity of technology and digital experiences is getting higher and higher, and our ability to think through the ramifications is not at the same pace. And that's skills and training that we need to start thinking about for designers today and for the future.
We are not yet established ethical principles in the design space, in the design industry. However, there are some good guiding principles out there in terms of accessibility standards when we talk about WACG, and being able to leverage those type of guiding principles to develop ethical design principles in our product design. So I was really excited to hear about that.
Clearly there's some opportunity in terms of how we govern design ethics moving forward. One of the thoughts that I had was maybe it's academia that sort of takes the lead on that. Pragmatically, design practitioners are so caught up with their day-to-day lives that it's it's almost like designing a system for a design ethics governance. So if we can make it easy for practitioners who are in the field to sort of participate in that and help and join and govern, I think we'll have something fairly compelling for them to sort of sign on to. Yeah.
These are very contemporary topics, so I feel like once again the interaction design community is at the pulse of how businesses are making change, and it's not just about designing products or customer experience. It's actually about how companies are redesigning how they're moving innovation and how they're moving forward as an organization.